In this video, it's going to be something different. We're going to be giving my brother a PlayStation 5. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the support and everybody watching my videos, because without that, I wouldn't be able to do anything like this. So I'm super excited. Merry Christmas to all my viewers and enjoy the video. Let's go. How are you going? Oh my gosh, so much excitement.
Hello.
You know what's good with a good cup of coffee? What do you reckon it is? What do you reckon, Sam?
A bucket?
A bucket? Yeah, you're on the right track.
I hope I get this. It's Cadbury Frisbee!
Woo!
That's
That's okay. Nice. Very quality treats with a good cup of coffee.
With my cup of coffee.
These are always a fantastic treat for anyone. This is a beautiful flamingo wrapping. I think it's for Mum. We're gonna find out.
Oh, look. I think I know what it is.
It's something that you asked for. Oh, nice.
Listen to that tone.
Chocolate. I love chocolate.
We're doing a trade.
Oh, they're doing trades like Pokemon cards. How cool is that?
Thank you.
I really like that. Is that for me? Thank you. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, nice. So it's shortbread, but it's Christmas shortbread. So they have Santa Claus, a star, a tree, some bells. Alright, there's a lot here to unpack. Well, I found one thing that I wanted to give. Aha, perfect. Most wonderful time of the year.
I love the tin. Forgot the biscuits. I love the tin.
Boom. Ooh, very nice.
Very nice.
What do you think it is?
Feels like a book.
Ooh, you might be on the right track.
Yeah, it's the one I wanted.
It is exactly
It's the next one in
the one you
series.
wanted.
And
Right.
It's a fancy
That's actually a really nice pod.
It's a nice one.
It's got nice reflections.
Perfect.
Very, very nice. Oh, nice! Coach New York Blue. This is really nice. I can't even take it out. Oh my gosh. So shower gel,
There you are. That'd
cologne,
be nice for trouble.
and then aftershave. Black Star Trooper wrapping. I love it. Ooh! A car mount for charging your phone, but it's wireless.
It's got a knife.
Oh my god, he's got a knife!
He's got a knife and a
Fork and
spoonie.
spoon.
She's got a spoonie as
Don't
well.
mess with me. This thing is already coming in quite useful with the unboxings. Cuts through the tape super easily. Nice. So that'll just automatically open up when your phone is detected. That's the mount. Tequila!
There.
Nice wrapping paper.
It might be the action man you always wanted.
Yeah, right. I got a soldering iron. You look like a presenter. Get it? Because he's like a present. Homemade espresso martinis. Coffee shot, honey, Kahlua, Baileys. So just do about a shot of each thing. And then you just go until this goes really cold. See that? That's when you know. It's nice and frothy. Sprinkle a little bit of that coffee on top. There we go. Homemade espresso martinis. Making some avo smash, homemade. Avocado smash with a bit of goat's cheese and tomato. And then we're topping it off with some olive oil. It's gonna look lovely. Alright, we're just about to open some final gifts. I'm very, very excited. This has been such a fantastic Christmas. So let's unbox some gifts. There's definitely a bag.
It's definitely a bag. No, I reckon there's
definitely a
something in the bag.
Oh, I hope so.
I hope there's something in
If
the
there's
bag.
nothing in the bag, then it'll be a very
Feels
disappointing
like a
gift.
box. The box is, oh, the Fire Stick.
It's got the Fire Stick 4K.
4K.
Gift from Mum and Dad. Well, it feels like a shirt.
It is.
Ahoy Sailor. Okay. That's what it says on the thing. Ahoy Sailor.
Ahoy sailor.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Step one. Buy them.
Ah, so there's multiple ones.
Any chaff?
No chaffy
No
times.
chaffy? Look. They feel like a balloon.
The box. That's a big black box. It's a PlayStation. Gee, scary. We'll have to get us a PlayStation. A disc-free PlayStation. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
That's all right.
I certainly wasn't expecting a PlayStation.
Definitely not.
No.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
That's all right. Because
Now I've got a PlayStation. I
yeah.
wasn't expecting it.
Because of my YouTube channel, I could get one of these, and I unboxed it, and I thought.
And then you gave it back to me. Oh, so it's a
There you go.
re-gift. Second hand?
It's already set up with the internet and stuff like that. It's a bit shocked, isn't it?
A bit shocked. What is it?
Ah, perfect. That is really what I needed. So it's a screwdriver set. So basically for like stuff that I need for like the PlayStation and stuff like that, that's gonna be really, really useful. I'm very happy, thank you. Garate.
Chop.
Oh, you best go first. 'Cause you got to- Oh,
Nice!
oh, yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Audio Technica M20s. It's got like the right shape and size. Oh, Legends Arceus! Nice!
Fantastic.
Ah, nice, man. Nice.
Look
Oh
at
man.
that.
Dude, this is sick. This is so manly.
Screw this.
This is for Chloe. It's for you guys. Guys excited? What's in there? What's in the package?
Is this you? Are you a Dalmatian?
You got some gifts. Look at it.
Oh, wow, what's
Some treats.
What's this?
She's getting excited now. We got a squeezy toy.
What's in there, chump?
Liver.
Some beef jerky.
Beef jerky.
What's in there, chump?
A muesli bar.
Ooh. Wait, that's for me.
What have we got?
She's getting excited. Lots of stuff.
Yours is all edible.
You got a new toy.
Oh my.
My dad matches the Christmas gift in terms of the color, which is absolutely hilarious. Ooh, yum yum yum, yum yum yum.
Which is what I got.
This stuff is really nice. It's like British sweets, strawberry flavor. It's really nice. Doing a fun little unboxing with my dad. Let's check out these new headphones.
Can you see what they are?
Very nice. Classic Audio Technica look. Oh, nice. That's what they look like. They're really nice. It's got Legends Arceus, so we're gonna play Legends Arceus for the first time ever. Gonna play PlayStation 5 for the first time. He's beating me now 2-0. He's very good at FIFA. Very, very good. Ooh, we're gonna see the highlights of the hypermotion. Nice. You enjoying the PlayStation 5? Pretty good? Pretty good. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys next time.